If you ever see Krishna, how would you know that you are seeing the Supreme Lord? There is only one way to recognize that because Krishna is situated in spec pure, that is in Sanskrit it is called Parishuddha, or what do you call, spec pure position. Sattvam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam. If we are coming to the state of Vishuddha Sattva by following the practice of Parasattva, the soul has to obtain that position, because that's the way Vasudeva realized Lord Krishna. And he appeared face to face, He appeared face to face. So, unless and until a person comes to the state of Vasudeva, Lord Krishna will not appear. Dhruv Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, everybody, Narada Muni, they became spec pure, infused with all internal potency as its constitution. Then they visualize face to face. Dhruv Maharaj was unable to interact much. Prahlad interacted with the Lord also, but it was in higher sense, But the whole idea is that this interaction was better than simply seeing him. So we need to purify ourselves at that extent. When Krishna says, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am standing before you, Arjun, in my two-handed form. Not only that, you'll be able to see me also in truth. And then you'll be able to interact with me in truth. So, all these three phases are important. Simply through jnana, knowledge, one may understand little about Krishna. But somebody sees by meditation, jnanavastitgatena manasa pashyantyam yogino. They see factually, face to face. So that state of purified existence, one has to come and situate it. And Krishna is appeared. But what to speak of interacting? Just like the Gopas, Gopis, all were interacting with Krishna. But in the pure love, that is the highest of all. Otherwise, interactions were there also. In Hastinapur, Bhishma Pitama, Dronacharya, everybody was interacting with Krishna. Kunti Maharani, they were all pure devotees. So unless and until one executes spec pure devotion to Krishna and purify to that Vasudeva state, then and then Krishna will appear.